strange limited by budget on Google Ads. Okay, we switched our standard shopping campaigns to TROS, Target ROAS, return on ad spend 100% with $5 in daily budget. Okay, day one spent $518, delivered 300 plus clicks and 18k impressions. Day two spent only $100, delivered 66 clicks and still hit our conversion rate, but Google showed limited by budget. Why would it say limited by budget if I only spent $100? And it's now Google not throttling our clicks and impressions because of that. Day three looks at the same as day two. We very low spend and volume. What is the best mover here? Increase to Google's recommended $630 budget, or leave it alone and let the campaign finish the 7-day learning period. Okay, so because you recently switched to a standard shopping campaign with TROS bidding strategy with a $5 in daily budget, and because it takes time, and the Google has a policy that because you said that your budget is $5 on it and you spent $5 on it, so you can see that the Google may increase or decrease the budget for the starting campaigns, but it will not spend more than your desired budget in 30 days. So if your budget is $500 and multiplied by 30, and it's going to be $15,000. Okay, there Google will not spend more than $15,000 in any last 30 days. So that is how Google works. And if the Google is saying it's limited by budget on the day two, it is because the data is adjusting. But if all in all, if you don't care with this, you can simply increase the budget with Google recommended and then later on adjust the budget in later days. But the campaign is new in a learning phase because you change the bidding strategy, so give it some time and it will be fine. So but if you are in a hurry and you just wanted more clicks and want more leads, you can simply increase the budget. But if you're okay with let the Google learn and adjust, then give it the time and it's automatically going to adjust. It's a basic question, and I hope I answered the question regarding the strange limited by budget error you got in Google Ads. Sorry. And if you need a professional Google Ads help, we are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company with the name of ARSWEBS.com, and the link is mentioned in the description of this video if you want to hire me and my team for working with you in optimizing your Google Ads. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care, bye bye.